Almost everything 84.
Hey guys, Dan is Almost Everything 84, and today I got the GoolRC C12 out today. Bought a couple other ones of these. I like the company. I like what they produce. It's usually very cost effective. It's on the lower end, but you get a lot for what you pay for. This is a two-wheel drive model. It's got a lot of spring, a lot of jumping power. We're going to test it out, and it's supposed to be pretty quick as well, just like some of the other models. So we'll test it out. Yeah, I mean, overall, this thing, it definitely performs well. It's two-wheel drive, right? So we could see it slipping around in the snow and ice. It's probably not the best for that, but it is fast. If you get it on the blacktop, it's not as fastest around. I know it's in kilometers. It says, do the conversion of miles an hour. There's definitely faster ones out there. It's also running off a pretty small battery. You're gonna get like 10 minutes out of this before you have to recharge it. But it is good for like little jumps and jumping off the curbs and making little ramps for this thing to go off on like hard blacktop. And it has pretty knobby tires, so as you can see, it could still maneuver around in here. It's just not heavy enough, and it's got the two wheels going, two-wheel drive, so makes it a little more difficult. The actual remote or transmitter is pretty nice. It's pretty easy to use. You got your reverse, your forward. The wheel has a kind of a material on it, so it's easy to grip. Takes a couple batteries and you're up and running. So pretty easy to use right out of the box. I could see kids using this, I don't know, 8 years old plus, something like that. I don't think they're gonna have a problem with this, and it's super durable. I mean, this thing's got bumpers and shock absorbers like everywhere on it. It also makes it a lot easier on this one that you don't have to take the shell off to access the battery. You just pull these clips together, which is a little awkward. You pull these together and you kind of have to flip it out. It doesn't just spring out, but that's all you do to access the battery and charge it. And there's your on off switch. It's really not a waterproof one or meant to go in the water. So you can see there's a lot of open venting. It's not sealed. So it'd probably keep it away from puddles and things like that. I'm sure it could take a splash, but over time that stuff just corrodes it. So that's my test and review for today. Thanks for watching.